Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a web hosting solution with Bluehost, complete guides. First, visit the Bluehost website by typing the URL into your web browser. Once the homepage loads, click on the Get Started button. You will be presented with several hosting plans. Review the features of each plan to determine the best fit for your needs. Click on the Select button under your chosen plan. Next, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. If you already own a domain, you can enter it in the provided field. If you need a new domain, type your desired name into the search box. Click on the Next button once you've selected your domain. Fill out the account information form with your personal details. Ensure that you enter a valid email address to receive important information. Next, choose your account plan and billing cycle. You can usually select from options like monthly, yearly, or multi-year plans. Scroll down to see any additional features you might want to include. Select any add-ons that apply to your needs. Review your order carefully. Make sure all information is correct before proceeding. Once satisfied, enter your payment information. After completing the payment details, click on the Submit button. You will then be taken to a confirmation page. Follow the prompts to set up your account. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Now, log into your Bluehost account using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, you will see the Bluehost dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the My Sites section. Click on the Create Site button to begin building your website. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose a website theme and layout. After selecting your preferred options, proceed by clicking Next. You will be prompted to add any necessary plugins. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.